Okay, the surface area of a cube. A cube has all the sides equal. Okay, it has this as S and this as S, and this too is S. They're all the same. Like suppose the height of the cube is 5 centimeters or is 6 centimeters, then the length is also 6 centimeters and the width is also 6 centimeters. So all the sides of a cube are same. Now if you take this face, okay, this surface, what will be the area? The area of A will be S multiplied by S, or say 6 multiplied by 6 if we are given one side as 6. So area is equal to the area of face A. આ જે surface છે એ surface નો area is equal to S square or 6 square, which has to be 36. Suppose it is 5, or suppose it is 5, the surface area of the side of a cube is 5, then the area will become 5 square, which is equal to 25. Okay, so the surface area of a cube, how many sides are there? This is A, then this is B, then this is C. Okay, then this side, okay, is D, then on this side it is E, and below જેમ A છે એમ નીચે F છે એટલે A B C D F E F. So there are 6 sides. Okay, there are 6 sides. Now we know that the area of one side is S square. Okay, if this is S square, then 6 sided will be 6S square. Okay, so the surface area of a cube is, the formula is 6S square or 6L square. Suppose you say, instead of side you say one length of a cube, so it can be 6L square also, and it could be 6A square if A is the length of one side. Let's see one example. Calculate the surface area of a cube whose side is 10 centimeters. So what is the formula? Surface area of a cube એટલે 6S square or 6A square or 6L square. Okay, here we are given that S is equal to 10. So 6 multiplied by 10 square, that is 6 into 100, so 600 centimeter square. Don't forget this, it is a unit which is always in square. For a line it is in centimeter, for a surface area it is, for an area it is centimeter square, and for a volume it is centimeter cubed. Okay, question 2 આપણે જોઈએ, calculate the side of a cube box. It is a box, okay, with a lid, and it's a cardboard box whose surface area is 54 centimeter square. Okay, centimeter square. Okay, so let us put down the formula. Surface area of a cube is 6S square because there are 6 sides. Suppose you don't have a lid, suppose આપણી પાસે જે કાર્ડબોર્ડ બોક્સ છે એનું ઢાંકણું ના હોય, લીડ ના હોય, તો 5 surfaces થાય. ખાલી આપણે લીડ પણ ના હોય ને નીચેનું તળિયું પણ ના હોય, બેઝ પણ ના હોય, then there will be only 4 sides, so it will be 4S square. Anyways, for this, આ દાખલા માટે SA is equal to 6x square. SA is surface area. It can also be said as total surface area. Total surface area is equal to 6s square, and we are given the total surface area is 54 centimeter square. So 54 centimeter square is 6s square. S square is equal to 54 by 6. S square is equal to 9. So side is equal to 3. So the answer is the side of a cube box is 3.